Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.